Alright, 2014 Subaru Outback in Legacy. Gonna go ahead and remove the radio. So first, you're just gonna need a plastic pry tool. So step one, go ahead and take out your CD, when the radio's unplugged. You don't want anything lost in there. So with your plastic pry tool, go ahead and start here in the bottom right corner. I found is easiest. Then don't use a metal one because you could scratch the surface if it's a customer's car. But you kind of go in here from the side. These corners are probably the most fragile part, but once you get there, just kind of work your way up and along the edge. One thing to note, if you don't have a plastic pry tool, you can always take like a flat edge with a cloth. That way you can avoid scraping the surface. And from here, let's go ahead and just work our way up and get this removed. And you just want to bring it out evenly. Seems like it's unclipped, no wires. Go ahead and pull that forward slowly. Next, grab your Phillips screwdriver. There's going to be 4 screws. You're going to need an extension. 2 and 4. Notice that the darker colored screw came out of the top and this brighter silver colored screw came out of the bottom. Pull it straight forward gently. There's not a lot of slack with these wires, so just start here on the right. Start with this one. If you have like a screwdriver or a pair of pliers, you can gently push down on the tab. And this is just for demonstration purposes. Obviously, you're not going to cut the wiring harness for the customer's car. I just wanted to show you how to unplug everything. So that was the first one we unplugged. And this one here, there's a push tab, so you push down and pull that backwards. And it's hard to do in the dash, but it is possible. This one here also has a push tab. Push down, wiggle that out of there. This one here you just pull straight off. It does have a little clip that you can push, but it doesn't help too much. And this one here, you squeeze in on this tab on the left, and pull it straight out. And there you have it. And here's all the part numbers.